Morphine. This medication is used to treat severe ongoing pain. It belongs to a class of drugs known as opioid analgesic. It works in the brain to change how your body feels and respond to pain. Do not use this medication to relieve pain that is mild or that will go away in a few days. This medication is not for occasional use. The highest strength of this medication should be used only if you have been taking regularly moderate to large amount of an opioid medication. How to use? Read the medication guide provided by your pharmacist before you start using this medication and each time you get a refill. Take this medication on a regular schedule as directed by your doctor, not as needed for sudden pain. Take this drug with or without food, usually once daily. If you have nausea, it may help to take this drug with food. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about other ways to decrease nausea. Because of the risk of overdose, do not give this medication down a feeding tube. If you suddenly stop using this medication, you may have withdrawal symptoms, especially if you used it for a long time or in high doses. To help prevent withdrawal, your doctor may lower your dose slowly. Tell your doctor or pharmacist right away if you have any withdrawal symptoms such as restlessness, mental mood changes, watering eyes, running nose, nausea, diarrhea, sweating, muscle aches, or sudden changes in behavior. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Do not increase your dose, take it more frequently, or take it for a longer time. The maximum recommended dose of this medication is 1600 mg per 24-hour period. Before you start taking this medication, ask your doctor if you should stop or change how you use your other opioid medication. Other pain reliever may also be prescribed. Ask your doctor about using morphine safely with other drugs, though it helps many people. This medication may sometimes cause addiction. The risk may be higher if you have a substance use disorder. When this medication is used for a long time, it may not work as well. Talk with your doctor if this medication stops working well. Side effects: dizziness, drowsiness, lightheadedness, nausea, constipation, vomiting. Some of these effects may decrease after you have been using this medication for a while. If any of these effects persist or worsen, tell your pharmacist promptly. To prevent constipation, eat dietary fiber, drink enough water, and exercise. You may also need to take laxative. Ask your doctor or pharmacist which type of laxative is right for you. To reduce the risk of dizziness and lightheadedness, get up slowly when rising from a sitting or lying position. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because he or she has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Tell your doctor right away if any of serious side effect occurs, including interrupted breathing during sleep, mental mood changes, stomach abdominal pain, difficulty urinating, signs of your adrenaline glands not working well. Get medical help right away if you have very serious side effects including seizure, severe drowsiness, and difficulty in waking up. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare. However, get medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, and trouble breathing. However, this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed above, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Precautions: before taking this medication, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it or to other opioid or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients which can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Talk to your pharmacist for more details. Before using this medication, tell your doctor or pharmacist your medical history, especially of brain disorder, breathing problems, kidney disease, liver disease, mental mood disorder, personal or family history of a substance use disorder, stomach intestinal problems, difficulty urinating, gallbladder disease, and disease of the pancreas. This drug may make you dizzy or drowsy. Do not drive, use machinery, or do anything that needs alertness until you can do it safely. Limit alcoholic beverages. Before having surgery, tell your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription, non-prescription, and herbal products. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, especially confusion, dizziness, drowsiness, and slow and shallow breathing. During pregnancy, this medication should be used only when clearly needed. Discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. This medication passes into breast milk and may have an undesirable effect on our nursing infants. Tell your doctor right away if your baby develops unusual sleepiness, difficulty feeding, or trouble breathing. Consult your doctor for more details.